If you have a customer that you need to invoice on a regular basis, daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly, you can save time by setting up a recurring invoice in QuickBooks. To start, go to the New and select Invoice. From the Invoice screen, choose Make Recurring. Enter a template name to identify the series. From the Type drop-down, you have three options: Scheduled, which lets QuickBooks automatically create invoice in this series; Unscheduled, which saves a template with partial or complete data but without a schedule; a Reminder, which prompts you to create the invoice but doesn't generate it automatically. For this example, select Scheduled. Next, decide how far in advance you want QuickBooks to create the invoice before sending it, so you have time to review it. You can also select Automatically Sent Emails if you would like invoices to be emailed without manual action. Under Interval, tell QuickBooks how often to send the invoice. In this example, QuickBooks will send it on the first of every month starting next month. You can also add an end date if you want the series to stop at a certain time. Fill in the rest of your invoice details as you normally would. Once everything looks good, select Save Template. To manage individual invoices in a recurring series, go to Sales, Invoices. Recurring invoices have a special symbol next to them. Select an invoice to see its details, review activity, or make edits. To manage the entire recurring series, go to Settings, Recurring Transactions, then select Edit for the series you want to update. That's it. With recurring invoices in QuickBooks, you can save time and ensure your customers are billed automatically and consistently.